Greetings from Samez. I am Steve Sobadash, the Technical Training Manager here at Samez North America. Can you spot the differences between the OEM and non-OEM parts? At first glance, they may look similar, but the quality, performance, and longevity can be worlds apart. OEM stands for Original Equipment Manufacturer. These parts are designed, tested, and approved by the manufacturer to meet their exact specifications. They're built to deliver optimal performance, durability, and reliability, ensuring that your equipment runs smoothly and efficiently. Non-OEM parts, often referred to as knockoffs, may look like the original, but they are typically made with inferior materials and manufacturing processes. These parts are often untested and may not meet the high standards set by the manufacturer, which can lead to subpar performance, increased wear and tear, and even potential damage to your equipment. And here's an important point. Using non-OEM parts can and will void your manufacturer's warranty. If something goes wrong, the manufacturer may not cover the cost of repairs or replacements, leaving you to foot the bills and potential downtime. Choosing OEM parts means peace of mind, knowing that you're using the right components to protect your equipment and keep it running at peak performance. Invest in quality. Choose OEM. For more information, contact us today to ensure your equipment stays in top condition and fully protected under warranty.